friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to integrate a third-party plugin like a chatbot into your system. So basically, in order to do that, you first need to sign up with a chatbot application. What I'm going to do is take a sample script of FreshChat because we use FreshChat internally. I'm going to show you how to integrate FreshChat, but that does not mean that you can only integrate FreshChat into a system. You can integrate any chatbot that is there. All you need to do is take the embedding script from their system into a system, and I'll show you how to do that. So the first thing we are going to do is, this is the script that is there to integrate chatbot. I'm going to copy that. I'm going to go to my dashboard, go to my settings, go to SEO and analytics, and out here what I'm going to do is inject the HTML code that I have and paste it on custom HTML right here. Once I'm going to do that, I'm going to click away and it's going to save it. When I go back into my website, as you can see that there is no chatbot coming up, but if I refresh this, as you can see that the FreshChat has started coming up right here. And if I click on here, as you can see that my FreshChat application has come up, and I'll be able to now initiate any FreshChat chat with my customers from here. So that's about it. Again, please remember that you can integrate any chatbot into the application. All you need to do is obtain the script, and once you've obtained the script, you have to paste it on custom HTML and you'll be done with that integration. Thank you.